Last two pieces of the puzzle just turned up before I put the engine back in. So I've got new harmonic balance because I didn't trust the other one. I think it might have been twisted, or the housing inside twists on itself. This section I think twists away from this section over time if they do wear out, blah blah blah. Okay, so it's being balanced. It's got instructions there, so that's good to go. That's what that one's for. Yeah. And I've got a new power steering pump the other day that's put on. Starter motor, put that on, fitted it, works, taking it off, put the engine back in of course, and the turbo. So, let's see if we can open it up. Which is top and which is bottom. The other one still works. There's no bearing play or anything, but once again, getting them at the price I am, why not spend the money now? Get out in the middle of nowhere, get out bush or somewhere and it's stuffed, it's not what you want. So, package pretty cool. There's the gasket in there. Gaskets, I should say. That just tore out of the bag, I did that. And two, three, four, so once again this is for Mitsubishi Pajero 94 NJ turbo diesel of course. So it's TF034 there. TF035. It's supposed to be. It's the upgrade. I did see that on there next to the TD. Anyway, see you now. So, what's everyone do? Of course, checks the play. There's a smidgen bit of play. I've heard one guy say that's not real bad. Until the oil pressure gets up in there, then it becomes a lot more stable or firm. So just have a bit of a look. see that opening. So it's outside, just over 55. Do the job anyway, not after mega horsepower, the speed, reliability. Okie dokie. New belts just put on, put the alternator back on. So what I did here, there's an adjustment here, slack adjustment here. So you have that one there loose, and you can adjust it here. You can leave the bottom one loose for a little while. I've got everything painted because if it falls off, especially the nuts, you can see them. When I adjust that, I can tell once I see no paint, I can adjust it one way or the other, it's no big deal. I put the two belts here for the alternator up and around onto the pump and then down onto the crank pulley, which is a balancer. Can't think of it. It's too late in the day, I can't think of the name of it. I replaced that because the other one was possibly twisted on itself. Anyway, so these two belts on first, that plate on last. Then I've put this belt on here, goes to the aircon compressor. You have an adjustment bolt here, so you back this one off first, that loosens it as well. This is an adjuster, and this will come down, so you can put the belt on, tension it. That's done. I've marked everything where I could. What else? Oh, I've sprayed anything that's moving, pulleys, anything. I've marked it, so when it's spinning, you can tell. Bit of blue down there, bit of red, bit of blue there, so you can tell if it's working, basically, if the bearings are collapsed or whether it's shit itself. Just something I learnt a long time ago, do with conveyor belts and that. So that's where I'm up to. Just a quick and a short one, but yeah, turbo changeover tomorrow and something else, and not too far now putting the actual engine back in. Whew.